Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna walk through that how to apply for a study visa to Switzerland. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I am showing you Switzerland's online visa system. So and this is the official site. So some categories of visas like short-term visa applications you can apply online, but for long-term visa over 90 days, national visa must be filed directly with the responsible Swiss representation. So the first step is going to be find out who is the responsible Swiss representation on your case. So for that you need to enter the country where you have legal residence, not your nationality, where you are living legally. So let's say if this is India, I select India, click on next. So now you can go to their site. Okay, so here you can see that there all the contacts and other things are given. Now it is mandatory within effect that you are going to provide biometrics to VFS through VFS, and if you go down like national visa for person, for example long-term student family, this is going to be the national visa and it will be applied through VFS. Okay, so if you click on VFS, again it may vary based on your country. So we'll click on this step-by-step guide. Identify the visa type. First step is to determine which visa type you need and check if you can if you are eligible to apply for it. So here you have information. This is long stay visa, so students for more than 90 days. Okay, now this is really important. Visa fee. In general the application is free of charge, however there may be some exceptions. Wow. So this is service charge and convenience fee that will go to VFS, optional courier service, SMS service, optional premium launch service. Wow. Visa fee for a written objection is this much. Auto callback service available. Wow. Video conferencing service at this. Wow. Document required 90 days. So this is gonna be the document checklist. Valid national passport, 4 passport size pictures with the specifications, 3 visa application forms, completed all 3 forms, signed by the applicant, and if have to authorization for third person, clear photocopies of valid UK, USA or CAN visa if any, personal covering letter, the reason for pursuing studies, future plans, explanation. Okay, CV 2 copies, one original and one copy. Wow. Acceptance confirmation registration letter from the school, university, proof of payment. Wow. Proof of academic degree, financial status. Okay, so this checklist also varies based on location, like because if you apply from India, it is asking for Indian tax return verification form or acknowledgement. Okay, visa fee free of charge. Wow. In special cases, PhD applicant, this is Euro 80. Wow. So we have the checklist here. Photo specification, processing time, download form. So there is gonna be type D and They have asked this authorization. This is mandatory. Okay, authorization, fine, authorize, come. Okay, long stay visa, deeds, a photo, this is office space. So what are the fields? Surname, first name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, current nationality, marital status, father name, mother name, some one field for minor, travel document number, date of issue, valid, home address. This section, if applicable, current occupation, employed, purpose of stay. So if you are applying for student, this is gonna be the answer. Duration of stay, intended day of arrival, probable address in Switzerland, number of entries requested, previous stay in New Zealand, if yes, provide the details, in case of family union. Okay, this is a very simple field, you got a fill sign. Okay, let's go back. Alright, so first section is clear. Now let's go to begin your application. We have already gone through it. You can download this application, complete it, print the completed form and bring it. Okay, and remember the required number of copies that we have seen in checklist. So you, after that, you need to book an appointment and then fingerprint and photo taken. There's no BAM. Okay, you got to pay the fee. Visit, submit your application, then track. And if you get it, all the best, you did it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.